Good morning. The world seems to be embracing the riskier asset, in other words equity. Even Egypt investors are said to be gearing for a rally in their market. But India seems to be in battered club for quite a while. The worst may not be over and investors will hope to forget the Friday fright which saw the main indices tumbling mercilessly. The markets will try to grapple with GDP estimates for FY11 today. Expectations are that government will project 8.5% GDP growth in current fiscal. The latest IIP numbers will be out on Friday. The Prime Minister reiterated what we all know too well, that inflation posed a serious threat to growth momentum. A flat start is what we have in store for the day. Investors will be wary of taking heavy positions even though many counters seems to be attractive. Stick to the large cap in case you decide to make some purchase. Oil rose for the first time in 3 days in New York. Brent crude for March settlement added 65 cents or 0.7% to $100.48 a barrel on the London-based ICE Futures Europe Exchange. The dollar is close to a 2-week high against the euro. 10-year treasury yields are inching towards the highest level since May after the US unemployment rate fell to the lowest since April 2009. Of course, the euro had its own reason to weaken as the European Union debates on how to solve the region's sovereign debt crisis. Japan's stock gained for a second day after earnings rose and the US unemployment rate unexpectedly fell. The Nikkei and broader topics are up close to 1%. The US stock saw a winning week after the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed about 12,000 for the first time since June 2008. Moving on to our recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise buying Bharti Airtel in the range of Rs 323 to Rs 326 with a stop loss of Rs 318 and for the target price of Rs 342. We recommend traders to sell IOB February futures below Rs 123.5 with a stop loss of Rs 126 and for the target price of Rs 117. Our derivative strategy for the day are: long Shriram Transport Finance Limited February futures in the range of Rs 671 to Rs 673 for a target price of Rs 691 and with a stop loss placed at Rs 663. Long Bajaj Auto February futures in the range of Rs 1220 to Rs 1225 for the target price of Rs 1270 and with a stop loss placed at Rs 1200. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.